In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We'll walk through archiving classes in Google Classroom from the homepage step by step, so nothing gets lost or accidentally deleted along the way. First, head to the homepage for Google Classroom. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you can see your classes. Starting from home keeps everything consistent and ensures you're applying changes to the right place. Next, select Classroom to open your main dashboard. This is where each class appears as a card. Take a moment to identify the class you're ready to tidy up. On that class card, click the highlighted Options control, the three-dot menu in the upper corner of the card. This opens the actions you can take for that class. Choose Archive. Archiving is safe. It removes the class from your active list but does not delete it. Students lose the ability to submit work, and the class no longer appears in their active view, but all materials and posts remain preserved for reference. Think of it as putting the class in storage so your dashboard stays focused on what you're teaching right now. When a confirmation prompt appears, click Next. This step simply summarizes what will happen and gives you a chance to back out if you selected the wrong class. You'll be asked to confirm. Again, click Archive to proceed. Many platforms include a second confirmation to prevent accidental changes, so don't be surprised by the extra click if you see another prompt. Continue by clicking Next, and then finalize by clicking Archive once more. Follow these on-screen prompts until the process completes. The class card will disappear from your active home view once the archive is finished. A few tips as you wrap up. If you manage multiple classes, repeat the same flow. On each class card you want to archive, open the Options menu, choose Archive, and confirm through the prompts. If the archive option isn't available, you might not be the primary teacher, or you may lack permission. Coordinate with a co-teacher in that case. And if your page still shows the class after archiving, refresh the browser to update your view. That's it, quick, clean, and organized. You've successfully archived your class from the homepage using Classroom, and your active dashboard should now feel much lighter and easier to navigate.